my people, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. So if you're new here, you are most and highly welcome. So in today's video, I'm gonna be showing you a vitamin C toner. Now this vitamin C toner is going to keep your skin maintained. It's going to reduce the redness and it's going to help your skin really smooth, okay, because it's going to tone up your skin. All right, so if you want to know all of the ingredients that I use in this vitamin C toner, stay put and don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe and share. And now let me take you right into the video. For a vitamin C toner, we're gonna be needing vitamin C. You can get this, okay? It's very easy, like it's a normal vitamin C with it's literally very good for the skin, and it's gonna help to tone the skin evenly and to leave your skin looking really pretty. Yeah, so we're gonna be crushing the vitamin C. So we're gonna crushing it, pounding it and crushing it really good. Okay, so after doing that, then I'll have to be turning that. Into this bowl. Okay, so after that's done, we're gonna be needing to use tomato. Now this ripe, very beautiful looking tomato is actually going to complement and make our vitamin C toner really beautiful and awesome. Yeah, so this is what we're going to be using to bring up the toner. So what I'm gonna do here, I'm not gonna be blending it, I'm gonna be creating it. Yeah, so I'm actually gonna be creating the two. Okay guys, so I'm gonna be putting just a little bit of water in it because I need to sieve this out and get out some very watery juice. Okay, so after doing that, then I'll have to be sieving this out. Okay, so this is the juice. Okay, so this is the tomato juice, and now I'll be putting it into the vitamin C. Yeah, so now we'll have to stir and tone really well. And this is how it is. So we're gonna be needing honey. Now this is a village honey. It's actually not been mixed. It's very thick, yeah. And honey is a great remedy for moisturizing the skin. It also helps to even out the skin and make the skin really smooth, guys. Okay, so for our vitamin C toner, we're gonna be putting in honey, yeah. So I'm actually gonna be leaving it in, and it's gonna dissolve. So the next ingredient which we need so well is rose water and glycerin, which is actually very important for this ingredient. Now rose water is a remedy that helps to calm the redness of the skin, and it also helps to remove all blemishes, and it tones up the skin really well, yeah. So we're gonna be putting in 2 tablespoons of rose water. And then we stir again. Now the last ingredient, which is actually very important, is aloe vera. Aloe vera is a great remedy that helps for sunburn, dryness, irritated skin, and it moisturizes the skin. So we're going to be putting it in here. So we're going to be scooping in just 1 tablespoon of aloe vera, and then we'll mix these ingredients all up. So I'm actually going to be using a manual mixer and mix it really well. Now all of the ingredients is going to be mixed in this. And it's superb. Okay, so this is our vitamin C. This is our vitamin C remedy, and I'm gonna be putting it into a small bowl, and this is it. Okay guys, so you can spray this vitamin C on your face every morning before you take your bath, and stay for like 20 minutes before you go take your bath. So I'm gonna go do that and show you how it's being done. Yeah, this is it. So guys, this is my vitamin C remedy. Look, you, this is how it looks like. Okay, this is actually very sweet to behold. Okay, so now if there was a preservative measures that I can put in this, I would have just ship it out to some of my subscribers to just try this out. But before it gets out, it's gonna get bad. Yeah, okay. Now you try this, and this vitamin C is gonna make your skin look really beautiful even without using makeup. So you make this and then you keep it in your house, okay, and it's going to help you. Now when you want to use it, you see it divides because I kept it for some time. When you want to use it, you shake it just like this. Yep, and then press it. Okay, you can see that. Okay, so that is it. Okay, so now you have to close your eyes and spray this all over your face. Okay, So you have to spray enough, like enough. You can see how it's dropping. So I need everywhere to be dropping like that. Yeah. So I hold my breath while I did that. Let me do that again. Okay, that's enough. Okay, so this is what I use for one go. Now after you've sprayed like that, you have to rub it through. Oh my goodness, this is actually very soft. Oh my goodness, go try this out. Oh my god, look at how it makes my skin really shiny. Oh, look at my neck. Look at my neck. It's so shiny. Like, this is everything. This I'm going to keep it inside my refrigerator, and I'm gonna use it tomorrow morning. Yeah, this is actually evening. Okay, so I'm actually gonna be using it tomorrow morning. So you can use it morning, afternoon, and night, and you're good to go. So for you to preserve this, you have to put it inside the fridge. Okay, for it to maintain that, you know, temperature, so it does not go bad. Yeah, and when you spray it on your face like this, then you leave it on for, like, you know, as long as you can, like 1 hour and thereabout. Then you would have to go and wash it off later when you want to take your bath. Okay, so that's why I have this right now, and look at the way my skin. Okay guys, so I'm gonna go wash this off, and remember to always use a toilet soap, and this is super. Yeah, so that's it guys. It is as simple and as effective as that. It is really nice, and it smells good too. So you can spray this, you know, before you take your bath. I've actually said that in the video, so you know, just follow that and it's gonna help you, and trust me, it works. Try it again and try it again and give it another try, and you're gonna be seeing that it really works. Okay, so that's it guys. If you do enjoy watching the video, please hit the like button, subscribe and share, and I'll see you soon in my next video, and ciao. Mwah.